amazing that is. I mean, if you guys watch my videos, you know I've done this a couple times before, but I'm amazed every single time, and the patterns look very different every time. So this is a great way to build structure and some visual texture without actually having to apply anything. So inexpensive yet very effective. I'm going to go ahead and let this dry just a bit more. I only let it dry for about 20 minutes. When the paint's really fluid like that and you put it on, you can just peel it back off after a few minutes and the impressions will stay. But of course, they look a little bit different and more tactile when you leave the plastic on and peel it. Totally up to you, but I'm excited to get going. I'm not going to say it 100 times. I'm sure you guys can guess what I'm going to say, but at least once. Absolutely amazing.
But this is absolutely incredible. I'm just going to add a few more.
Now, my intention at all was not to create anything that was autumn fall, like at all, besides using a few of the colors that I love, the warm colors. But once I pulled that off, I mean, come on, guys, it completely looks like a trees in a forest with beautiful leaves falling down on the ground, and so simplistic. I used 3 colors, and the painting took me, 10 minutes to do. So if you guys enjoyed the process and you want to see more, please make sure that you like, share, subscribe. Please go ahead and check out my social medias. I now have a Facebook page and Instagram. So I will see you all in the next painting.